Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a quiz in Notion in just few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, let's open Notion. We are going to create a new page by clicking on new page. Now let's name it quiz, simple and easy. Now click the three dots at the bottom and select table from the options. This will be our quiz format. So let's set it up. In first column, we will add the questions. The second column is for the answers. The third column will show if the answer is correct or wrong, and the last one will store the correct answer. Follow as shown in video and you will get your quiz. Now we will make the quiz smart. Click on the third column, select edit properties, then choose formula. Paste this formula and it will automatically check if the user's answer matches the correct answer. Pause it for 10 seconds and let's take a look. Let me test it with a simple question. For example, what is the color of water? In the correct answer column, I will enter blue. To keep it hidden, go to property and select hide in view. In fourth column, okay, remember fourth column, that is our correct answer. Now, in the second column, the user can type their answer. Let's try typing red. As you can see, it shows wrong. Now, if we type blue, it will show correct. And that's it. You have just created a functional quiz in Notion. Quick, easy and interactive. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment with your thoughts. See you in the next video.